What is up guys, I am Mansi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how you can make embroidery patches without sewing machine. Now if you guys are following the trends, you must have seen those embroidery detailing going on with shirts, t-shirts, jeans, joggers, jackets everywhere. So in today's video I'm gonna share how you can convert an old plain t-shirt into classy embroidery one. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The things that you will require for this DIY are a pair of scissors, preferably a hard one, a marker pen, a normal pen, some threads, an embroidery ring, a thick material. Now here I am using the leftover jeans material and it is very thick. Of course, an oversized t-shirt. Now for embroidery patches, first place the material into the embroidery ring. Now draw a desired image onto the cloth. Here I am drawing a rose from the cell phone. Now cut the thread and join the two ends. Pass it through the needle. Now for the work, you have to take normal stitches from border to border like this. You just have to in and out the needle from one end to the other. And now it's time to fill up the leaf. I am using this green color thread for the leaf. So guys, these are the other patches that I made earlier and I love how they turned out. Now take a plain t-shirt of your choice and glue all these patches with the help of glue gun. As I don't want to display this print on my t-shirt, I will glue a patch over there too. And your brand new t-shirt is ready. share it with your friends. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy, goodbye.